Troffer Retrofit fixture by RAB is the perfect solution to replace your old fluorescent fixture. Its quick, easy installation enables a single person to replace the fixture in under 3 minutes from start to finish. By upgrading to LED technology, you'll save on energy cost and maintenance long after the fixture is installed. The modern-looking center basket style has a diffused lens that offers direct and indirect light and will upgrade the look of any space. Always remember to disconnect existing live power, either by switch or circuit breaker, before working with any fixtures. Okay, let's get started. First, remove the existing lens. Now you'll be able to remove the bulbs. Next, remove the lighting trough. Then, you are ready to extract the fluorescent fixture's ballast and sockets. Next, take our mounting bracket and guide the flat edge upward between the fixture body and ceiling grid. You'll slip one edge underneath the existing fixture pan between the grid and the fixture body, and then fit the other side with a slight lift to put it into position with the grid of the ceiling. You'll do the same for both sides, just reversing the action. Put it up, and you're ready to install the body of the fixture. The body has keys that match the brackets we've just installed. Take the keys and slide them into the frame. This allows you to hang the fixture for wiring and support. Using the included cut screws, install the cable support, which is a secondary support, into the existing frame. Again, we'll do the same on the other side. Remember, these are just supplemental supports. At this point, connect the wiring. Next, lever the LED pan up into the frame. Once you've brought it up, just position it so that your keys fit into the slots in the frame, and you're in business. Turn on the lights and enjoy the comfort of a more modern space.